and then I'm going to show you what I think is the secret weapon, the best product that I use on this bike. One of the first products that I use that I like to start with, I actually spray it on the tire because it does clean out the tire as well. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel, Flying Ride here. I've got a great short video for you today. One of my subscribers had a request recently in the last video that I posted. I'm going to leave it up here in case you haven't seen that, to show you all of the details of how I keep Sandstorm, which is my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right here, always looking so clean and so shiny. So in this video, I'm going to show you the process. I'm going to show you the products that I use. I want to, put some good tunes on for you here while I wash the bike and show you what it looks like now and what it looks like afterwards. In case you want to consider any of these products, you can see how it looks here, see if you like it, and of course, check them out. For all of the products that I'm using here, these are all products that I purchase. None of it is sponsored. So you're getting a raw perspective on what I think about these products, why I use them. And again, you should be able to see for yourself here the before and after. I'm going to show you here real quick what it looks like, and then you can judge for yourself. I'm Flying Ride. On this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right here called Sandstorm. And I also feature my 2022 BMW R1250 GS called Airwolf on the channel. I also do cinematic drone footage. We do product reviews, product upgrades, videos like this of products that I use on the bikes, group rides, destination rides, testing out all sorts of different bikes, all here on the channel. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. So I'm going to show you all the stuff here, watch the bike here real quick, and then I'm going to show you what I think is the secret weapon, the best product that I use on this bike here towards the end. So again, you're going to want to stick around to check out this product. So let's start the process. All right, so one of the first products that I use that I like to start with is actually the all-wheel cleaner by this company right here. I don't know how to pronounce that. Megures? I don't know. You probably know. But anyway, I've always used this. I actually use this for the car as well as I do for the bike. So this rim is black, as you can tell. And what this obviously does is it gets rid of all of the brake dust from the calipers, obviously the brake right here. And it really does most of the work for me, so I don't have to get in there and use soap. Again, if you wanted to use soap, I also use same brand. This is a gold glass car wash that I use. Same company, as you can see here. I really like their products. I rarely use this because as you can see here in a little bit, after I do the washing and show you sort of the process, I'm going to show you the actual product that gives Sandstorm that shine that all of you are seeing in the videos. So let's start here with spraying. And I put plenty of it there. Put it inside the rim, inside the they're not spokes, I call them spokes, kind of everywhere here. And you'll kind of see it starts to turn into a different color when it starts to activate with all of the dust and the grime that's actually on the rim. So I'll let that sit there for a second. And again, there's obviously a lot of different ways that you can wash these bikes. This is my preferred way. I don't like using a lot of water on the bikes. I like using this product that I'm going to show you here in a minute. But and then for the rims, this just sort of makes it easier for me. I also use this tool right here, so this helps me get into all of the crevices in there. So when I'm using soap, I use this, and then after I rinse this, I'll also use this here to apply it, make sure I don't miss any spots. So that rim is looking nice and sharp, nice and crisp for all of the rides and of course the videos that I bring to all of you here on the channel. Length of time that I let it sit there, just about a minute or so. And I'm going to use the shower feature first. I mean, and you can tell already that it's looking, you know, dramatically cleaner. All right, and then we rinse it. All right, and then we'll do the same thing now to the back rim. I actually spray it on the tire because it does clean out the tire as well. You can tell that looks dramatically better already. And then what I'll do is I'll move the bike forward so I can get the rest of the rim. You can tell I've got these kickstand protectors there because it protects my bluestone deck that I just got done here recently. All right, so now you just do the rest of the rim. And then I'll repeat the same thing now on the back. I'm not going to show you that because basically it's the same thing that I just did here. And then I'll show you what I use to dry the bike, at least a little bit that's wet. And then I'll just show you the star of the show, which is the final product I use to get the shine all the way back to what you see on the videos. Let me show you what I use here. This is a nice electric blower here. This thing works awesome. I'm going to turn it on here and show you how I dry the bike. Let's show you that special product now. Okay, so this is the product that I was referring to that I use to clean the bike. This is a waterless wash and shine and shield made by a company called Flowgenics. I don't remember where I saw this. I think it might have just shown up on my Instagram profile. I typically don't order stuff from there, but I did this one, and I gotta tell you, I'm very impressed with how well this cleans the bike. And not only how well does it clean the bike, but like it says, it does leave a shield there. And then after that, you know, the grime and the dirt just comes off much easier. And not to mention, the water doesn't necessarily stain the paint. And I'm going to show you up close here, you know, some parts that have some bug marks here. I'm going to show you the spray. I'm going to show you how well it comes off. And then hopefully you could see in the video the before and after, because I think this thing does an awesome job of just bringing out the shine in these paint jobs to look just absolutely awesome, not only in person, but certainly in the video. So let's start with bug marks right here. And again, I'm not sure if the video is gonna do it justice here, but I do wanna show you that. You wanna make sure you have a nice clean cloth. This is what I use. I get it from your local auto parts store. And then I just spray it on, and then it just, look how easy that comes off. But the shine just starts to really pop instantly, and it's super slippery after it's done because it gives it a nice shield. And I use this everywhere, so I'll spray it on the cloth, and I'll start to come here. I literally use this everywhere on the bike. I mean, here in person, you instantly see the shine. All right, I'm gonna finish cleaning this up, and then I'm gonna do a nice walk around over the bike so you can see, hopefully you can appreciate the shine. We'll do a nice cold start. All right, and there you have it. Let's do a nice cold start. Alright, so that's going to do it for this short video. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.